Today I am reviewing the Aquasure Harmony Series 48. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to improving water quality at home, especially in areas with hard water, a reliable whole house water softener can make a massive difference. And the Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 grain system is designed exactly for that purpose, delivering cleaner, softer, and more efficient water throughout your entire home. Right from the start, this system is built with practicality and performance in mind. It is designed to handle households with 3 to 4 bathrooms, which makes it suitable for medium to large homes. The idea here is simple. Instead of treating water at a single tap, it softens all the water entering your home. That means every shower, every faucet, every appliance benefits from improved water quality. One of the biggest problems with hard water is the high level of minerals like calcium and magnesium. Over time, these minerals can build up inside pipes and appliances, causing scaling, reduced efficiency, and even long-term damage. This system is rated for 48,000 grains of hardness removal, which means it is strong enough to handle significant mineral buildup and consistently reduce water hardness across the entire home. Another important feature is the included triple-purpose pre-filter system. This filter helps remove a wide range of contaminants before the water even reaches the softening stage. It reduces chlorine, VOCs, pesticides, bad odors, sediment, rust, and even heavy metals. In simple terms, this means the water not only becomes softer, but also cleaner and better tasting, while being gentler on skin and appliances. From a daily life perspective, one of the first things users often notice is the improvement in skin and hair feel. Hard water can leave skin feeling dry and irritated, and hair feeling rough or dull. With softened water, showers feel more comfortable, and soap and shampoo work more effectively. You often need less product to get better results, which is an added benefit over time. The system also provides strong protection for household appliances. Washing machines, dishwashers, and water heaters are all vulnerable to scale buildup caused by hard water. Over time, this buildup reduces efficiency and shortens the lifespan of these appliances. By reducing water hardness, this system helps prevent scaling and keeps appliances running more smoothly for longer, potentially saving money on repairs and replacements. Another standout feature is the automatic digital metered control head. This is essentially the brain of the system. It comes with a programmable backlit display that allows you to customize regeneration cycles based on your actual water usage and water quality. This means the system doesn't waste salt or water unnecessarily. It only runs when needed. It also makes maintenance much easier because everything is automated and easy to monitor. The build quality of the Aquasure Harmony Series is also worth mentioning. The tank is made from high-strength, corrosion-resistant fiberglass-lined polyethylene, which ensures durability and long-term reliability. It includes a durable bypass valve and comes pre-filled with premium-grade resin, so installation is more straightforward compared to systems that require full manual setup from scratch. In terms of long-term value, Aquasure also provides strong customer support and warranty coverage. There is a 5-year extended manufacturer warranty, along with lifetime US-based technical support when the product is registered. This adds confidence for users who want a long-lasting water treatment solution rather than a short-term fix. From a real-world usage perspective, the biggest benefit of this system is consistency. Once installed, it quietly works in the background without requiring constant attention. You don't have to think about water quality every day. It just becomes part of your home infrastructure. Showers feel better, cleaning becomes easier, and appliances are better protected. Of course, it is important to understand that this is a whole house system, meaning installation is more involved than a simple faucet filter. It is typically installed at the main water line, so professional installation may be preferred for optimal setup. But once installed correctly, it becomes a long-term solution that continuously improves water quality throughout the home. Overall, the Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 grain water softener is a strong choice for homeowners dealing with hard water issues. It combines high-capacity softening, advanced filtration, smart digital control, and durable construction into one complete system. If you're looking for a reliable way to reduce scale buildup, improve water quality, protect your appliances, and make everyday water usage more comfortable. This system offers a well-rounded and long-term solution.